Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alyssa and I am doing the 31 Days of Halloween series on my channel. This is day 9. We're going to be going for a glam look, but then put in some cards and they're going to be like attached to our face. If you haven't already seen my last video that I posted last night, link is right here. Please go check that out, like and comment on that. And then as always, if you have any suggestions for this series, please comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I would gladly do them. If you do end up doing any of my looks that I've done in this series, please tag me on Instagram and I will definitely check those out. That would make me so happy. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. Okay guys, so the first color we're going to be going in with our little fluffy brush is going to be Pooter in the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to be doing a natural smoky eye. These colors are actually my go-to for my everyday eyeshadow look. So this is a little sneak peek on that. But we are going to smoke it out just a little bit. We aren't going to go all the way up to the eyebrow, just smoke it underneath on the waterline and a little bit out on the outer corner. Then we're going to be going in with the color Mocha. This one is by far one of my favorite browns in this palette. And we're just going to smoke that in as well, go in the inner corner a little bit, and blend it out with Pooter and make sure it's all blended and we don't have any harsh lines. Then we're going to go on our waterline once again and just blend that in. Now we're going to use our ring finger and get some color Beam on it, and we're just going to give our little inner corner a pop. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're actually going to go into the gore. This look is pretty basic. It's just do your natural face, do whatever eye look that you want to do, and then like the gore is a little bit harder, but other than that, it's pretty easy. And I just cut them to like fit my face. We're just going to take regular glue and we're going to glue them. And this is just eyelash glue. I'm just going to put it on the back like that, just a little line. And now we are going to just glue that down onto our face. I am using eyelash glue. You can also use liquid latex. My shipment has actually not come in yet, so eyelash glue is pretty much the only thing I have right now. And I'm just going to put the second one down and then go in and put more eyelash glue in the front and give it a base for the back and the front. Then I'm going to use my handy dandy fan and just dry it. Once that is completely dried, we're going to go in with our Ben Nye Fresh Scab Blood and just go in with an angled brush and put it on as we desire. Like I say in all my videos, you can do a little more, you can do a little less, whatever you're more comfortable with. And I wanted to make this look as real as possible, so I did add some to my actual cards that are on my face as well. So guys, this is the finished look. As always, I hope y'all have a wonderful and spooky day. If you haven't already gone and seen all my other videos, please go and do that. Like and comment if you have any ideas. Link them down below. Also, everything that I've used in this video has been linked in the description box, so if you'd like to use any of it or purchase it, go for it. I hope you guys have a wonderful spooky day. Bye!